of the video. Okay.
पळयात म्हज्या गोंयकारांनो म्हज्या इस्तिमोसांवच्या बाळांनो म्हज्या तोंडां दिसना कित्याक तोंडां धांपल्या कित्याक वी आर कीपिंग द सोशल डिस्टन्स एंड द डिस्टन्स इन प्रिकॉशन नाव रायट नाव एज यू कॅन सी वी आर गॅदर्ड हियर द सिटिजन्स ऑफ आसा गांव हो आमचो गांव राखपाक कित्याक आमचो गांव हो फुलाचो गांव सगळीं जाणां जाणा बट ह्या गांवांत कितें घडटा ती कोणाक खबर ना त्या कारणां पासत हें आमी मेवल्या सो आमचोच सांगतलो हिंगा लोक हिंगा कित्याक मेवला तो ओके आय स्टार्ट वीथ आवर डियर सर You tell your name and why you're here.
Edward Rodrigues. Why I'm here? Firstly, because this is my house. Secondly, like-minded people have gathered here today because they have seen the degeneration of the forest and the greenery over here. Slowly but surely, over the years, Asagaon is no longer a valley of flowers and it is no longer green. So we have gathered here today to pull our brains together to see how we can do what we can do to save Asagaon.
Thank you, Eduardo. And we have, I know it's a short notice, Clayton, because you just entered the hall, entered the place. So just a question: why you're here, and what do you want to see the future of the children of Asagaon?
I'll lower my mask a little bit.
Yeah, please.
Anyway, the social distancing over here. Asagaon is one of the greenest villages in Bardez. If you actually see the regional plan, you'll see Asagaon by and large is the greenest spot in this area. But the indiscriminate construction that is going on, Asagaon is becoming more of, I was told it's the Beverly Hills of the north of Goa. So you can imagine the kind of craze the people will be having of coming into the village, but it's sad that it is tagged as Beverly Hills because it is losing its beauty. We were proud of our greenery, which we were losing. It's not just about 33% of the forest cover as the government norms require. It is about our heritage, and our heritage cannot be defined in terms of percentage. Our heritage is determined by what our ancestors have given us and what we intend giving the next generation. What we have inherited today, unfortunately, a lot of the building lobby, I won't call it the land mafia because that is one sector that is growing in Goa as on date. We see the land mafia growing, but the building lobby, the construction lobby, unfortunately is focusing a lot on this village to develop it. Our infrastructure is not planned to sustain this kind of development. Our water, our electricity, if we only go through the panchayat record, we will see resolutions on resolutions, whether it comes to upgradation of our electric wires, our lines, cables, our water supply. We have been shouting the latter half of the village, the Asagaon, the Badem part, asking for water. No, these core issues of infrastructure, our roads, core issues are not addressed. And at what cost are we expecting all this development today?
Absolutely.
A big question for everyone to ponder upon.
Thank you, Clayton. आणि क्लेटनाची आतां तेजी माय म्हणटा आपणाक उलोवपाचें ना. So we have Gloria. No, Gloria's house is this, and Gloria has.
We've already talked that it is his
But you
home,
have
no?
some fundamental words to say that I know and everybody knows.
Yeah, I would really like to see my valley remain green. Asagaon is a valley, and I would love to see my valley remain green. And that's the reason why I have joined with the people here to be able to enjoy the birds and the trees for a while longer and pass it on to my children and my grandchildren. Thank you.
Thank you, Gloria. So wise words you said. We have Olga now.
Well, Feli, the reason why I'm here is that we live in a valley and we are surrounded on 3 sides by mountains and 1 side by the sea. As Clayton said, this is the I don't know what he said, the Bollywood or the Hollywood.
Beverly
or
Hills.
The Beverly Hills.
Beverly
Of
Hills.
the Beverly Hills of North Goa. And it is the Beverly Hills because we have so much
Nature.
of greenery, so much of nature, the flora, the fauna. But because of the development is definitely needed. But we require sustained development, not cutting off forest and removing all the waterways. People are at the moment digging bow wells to sell the water. That's why the people of Asaga are not getting water.
Absolutely.
And we don't know when a Kerala type situation will be upon us, when all the trees are cut and we will have all the mountains coming down.
Absolutely.
So that's the reason why I am here.
Thank you, Olga. Thank you for your really, really good information for the people also. And we have our dear, dear Christina.
Hi, I'm here today because I'm saddened to see what Asagaon has become. So different from what we used to enjoy every summer holiday, every Diwali holiday. Come to Asagaon Green, walk to the spring, everything beautiful. But right now there's indiscriminate, irresponsible construction. Nobody is taking any responsibility for it. None of our local leaders. We have to do something. That's why I'm here.
Thank you, Christina. Please hold it. ऑलराइट मोगाल गोंय करा आता तुम्ही पळयला आसतलें हे गांवची खबर सकल काडटा मातशें ही गांवची खबर आतां ही गांवची खबर कोण राखतले भायलो राखचो ना हो दिल्लीवालो आपली गाडी घेवन राखचे ना राखतले गांवकार सो अहें पळोवंक शकता तुमी आतां यू कॅन विटनेस इट वॉट रायट नाव इज हॅपनिंग इन आसगांव द अवेर सिटीजन हॅज कम टुगेदर फॉर what is the problem? The problem is the issue which is local and they're going to solve it, getting the local issues solved by the local people. So this is quite inspiration and I really wish all the inspiration to all the people, this is one village and I'm talking about 190 or 199 villages. 198 villages. All the villages of Goa come together to protect, preserve, restore this beautiful flower valley, आमची न्हू तुमची फुलांचो गांव, to protect it for the future children. देव बरें करूं.